That's why she don't want it on Facebook.
I wouldn't do it on it, show myself up.
Yeah, but I thought that's why you were asking to cut that bit off.
No.
You can cut videos at out into two
Yeah, I
on.
don't need to.
It's easy on iPhones. You can do it on the iPod Touch as well. It's dead easy.
Show me though, 'cause if I ever have any others I want to cut stuff, I don't know how to do it then.
Well, I didn't know you could do it. There was a time when the auntie walked in front of me when I was videoing a washer. You know, Leslie, because it all has to be about her. She stepped in front of my camera to say, "There's me."
Yeah, you could do it.
She went straight past my camera and blocked me away for a second, and then I didn't know you could cut it out then, but then I found a way. But of course she did that on purpose. God, these Bosch washers, these were one of the very last makes that were made to last. But it must have been for sale at one point. It says 150 tested. They used to have a whirlpool, didn't they, with that dishwasher? No, that's gone. You mainly do towels on the 60, not on the 40.
I do everything on the phone. So you want to think with a smiley thing, you know, one of the big things,
Oh, them. She sends them to me every now and then.
and saying smile on it.
Don't know what caused it all to go.
We should put on it. What do we do?
Oh, I thought, shall I keep saying that to Wendy every time? Because you kept saying it over and over. Well, you probably knew that, didn't you? Because I proved it to you by videoing it. Eh? What? Alright, why do you need a black one?